Olsen here from Super Simple Guitar, and today we are going to be learning Chris Stapleton's new single, Arkansas. I was really happy to hear this tune, very happy to hear the kind of heavy electric guitar and bluesy sound of it. So without any further ado, let's just get right into it. First I'm going to show you the chord progression, and then I'm going to show you these little details that are making it what it is, right? So it's a really simple chord progression. It's just an E minor, 2, 3, 4, going into an A, 2. And for the E minor, I'm using my first finger and I'm just holding down the 4th and 5th string on the 2nd fret and playing only those 3 strings, right? If you're on acoustic, you could strum that entire chord because that's what's happening in the tune. There's an acoustic and electric at the same time. But for electric, you're just going to hold down these 3 notes. So that's 1 bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, going down to the A. Same exact thing, just now we're holding down the 3rd and the 4th string, and we're playing the open 5th string. Okay, so now we were playing the open 6th string while holding down these 2, and now we're playing the open 5th string. Then it goes into a B power chord. You could hold it like this. I kind of like to use my pinky. So I'm holding down the 3rd and the 4th string, 4th fret, and the 5th string, 2nd fret. And then it goes back into E, 1, 2, and back into that B, 3, 4. Okay, so really slowly, E, 1, 2, 3, 4 to A, 2, 3, 4 to the B, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, B, 3, 4, right? So you're playing 1, 2, and then 3, 4 on the B. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, half a bar, half a bar. And here you're going to end it off by doing kind of this. Okay, so with a little bit of strumming going on, it would go like this. One more time. That's the chord progression, right? Super simple, super straightforward. You know, if you've been playing for a little while, you should be able to get this. Now, what he's doing to make this sound more interesting is he has these cool little blues ideas in there. You'll hear this in blues all the time. And by the way, I have a free beginner blues course if you want to learn more about the blues. That's linked either below or above me if you want to go deeper with the blues. Okay, that's for free. Check it out. All right, so check it out. So on this first E here, right, we're going to go like this. We're going to hit it, and then we're going to go up to the 3rd fret, 6th string. So that's bum, ba-dum, and then we're going to hit that chord again. So, and then with your pinky, you're going to go to the 5th fret, 5th string, play it. First play the note, then open, then the 4th string, and then open. So, and you know, whether you strum it more times or less times, that's kind of personal preference. You know, listen to the song, experiment with your ear, do what's right for you. But that's what's happening. So it's kind of this bum, ba, 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 bum, ba, 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 bum. You're really just going for this. Same thing happens on the A. Into the B, nothing's going on. But now to get back to the E, rather than just going to the E, we're going to do this nice little pull off on the 2nd fret, 5th string, then go up to the 3rd fret, 6th string, play that E, and then end it on that B. So, and then end on that B again. Again, you could play a power chord, and And if you don't know all these chords, I also have a free 42-page picture chord book that you can go download that's going to teach you how to play these chords and many, many more chords in a very simple way. That's another free download. The link is above or below me, okay? So one more time, and then I'm going to show you that little riff there, right? Okay, so check it out. And another thing you could do is, instead of going backwards from the 5th fret to the 4th fret, you could go forwards. You could go. See that? It's a typical blues move, right? Down to the A, you could do the same thing, right? One more time. See, now I went forwards into that B. And now to get into the riff happens after this. You could do that little move, and now instead of ending it on the B with the strumming, we're going to go, and now that's going to bring us into that little. Okay, so check it out. That's how we get into that. Okay, so let me show you the riff. So after you do this, okay, so check it out. So I'm starting off on the 2nd fret 5th string. Then I'm going to the 5th fret 5th string. Okay, so that's bum, bum. And if you listen carefully, he's doing a little bluesy bend. You know, those are little details, but I hear this little bum, bum, little bluesy bend in there. You don't have to do it, but that kind of gives it this bluesy tone to it. So just a slight little bend. So 2, 5, then back to 2, and then you do a pull off, go up here to the 3rd fret, 6th string, so that's, then again the open A, and then what I'm hearing, and I listen to this a lot of times, is another A, but now he's playing the A here, okay, 5th fret, 6th string, walking down to the 3rd fret, 6th string, so really slowly, and then back into the chord progression, okay? And that's the entire tune, really, other than the solo. For the solo, just go crazy, you know, play the pentatonic scale, okay? So one more time, the whole thing, and that's about that, okay? So check it out. That's without that little lick. The lick comes in, you know, further into the song. Keep going on and on and on. All right, that's about that. I hope that this lesson made sense. I hope you were able to follow along. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And also, I have a playlist here at the end of the video I'm going to link up of other Chris Stapleton tunes that I've done. I've done a lot of them. So if you want to learn more Chris Stapleton tunes from me, then check that out. Also, my All Access members, for you guys, I'm going to have some extra goodies in there so it's easier for you to follow along. If you want to become an All Access member, all of my structured step-by-step courses are in one place. So check that out. There's a 7-day free trial. You'll learn all about, you know, mastering the guitar fretboard, music theory 101, right, to get you started with music theory, you know, solo guitar, all kinds of stuff. Everything that I've ever taught is in there, okay? And also extra goodies to my weekly courses. All right, my friends, thank you for watching. I hope this made sense. Have fun with the tune. See you very soon. Take it easy. Henry Olsen here. Bye-bye.